That's how we make plantains around my house.
Hey everyone, today we are going to make this awesome off-the-hook dessert, fried plantains that are wrapped in spring roll wrappers. It is based on a Filipino dessert called Turon, but I kind of southerned it up and I add vanilla ice cream and chocolate syrup to it, and it's truly delicious, simple, and easy. What you need is basically spring roll wrappers, you need plantains, and you need sugar. That's all you need. So a lot of people don't know how to use plantains. These are basically bananas that you have to cook. You can get them green mostly, and then you have to wait. When they're ripe, they're actually black. So you have to wait over a week to get these plantains as black as this, okay? And what you have to do is cut up your plantains. So this one I had already peeled, and you want to cut up the plantains in little slices so that they would fit in your spring roll wrappers. So they look basically slices that look like this. My plantains are all cut up. This is all we have to do with this dessert. You take a spring roll wrapper and you make it into like a diamond, okay? And then you take a plantain piece, 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of sugar, and you spread it around the plantain, and then you roll the plantain up this way. But you want to add space to it so that the oil, when you do fry these up, actually crispies up the inside and caramelize the inside. If you wrap it too close to the banana, your wrapper will not get crispy on those sides. So now I flipped it over, and then on that little piece at the end, you want to add a little water to it so it holds. See? So you can make a whole bunch of these actually and put them in the freezer, and then I have it ready for friends. So right about 300. It's probably good. So when you're frying these plantains, what you want it to do is, after it's kind of slowly simmering, you can kind of see the plantain colors are starting to get a little brighter yellow on the inside. And on the other side, you want it to be a golden brown. It takes probably about 4 minutes for each side, but the best way to really know is to check. That's really what you have to do. Look at that. The sugars that are in the oil might actually increase the temperature, so you could just go back down and lower it. So again, as you know, when they stop talking to you, you know it's pretty much done. The bubbles have simmered down, and so I bet it's ready. Look at that, it's ready. And then we lay it in a strainer. Is I scoop up some vanilla ice cream. Make sure it's vanilla bean. I can get that there. Okay. And then take our dessert. Put a little chocolate syrup on top. And there you go. Voila. Oh my God. Look at that. That's so delicious. Ice cream and chocolate syrup, which usually isn't the Filipino way to do it, but it's so dang good with vanilla ice cream and chocolate syrup. I hope you liked the video. I know you can make it, so if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, or whatever. All right, peace out.